From the beginning of time, a story lives inside the earth. Every soul remembers where the journey first began. I remember distant evening skies, old memories begin to rise. Voices gathered by the fire, hearts together lifting higher. Ancient paths beneath my feet,